We're creating really fun automations that you can add to your sheets to prank on your colleagues, your boss, your friends, your family. This is SheetFools 24 automations by Better Sheets. We're going to change the active tab once a day. This is going to take two things. We're going to write a little tiny app script, and then we're going to add a trigger. This is going to be fun. If you want all of these automations that I'm releasing, go over to bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Get it right now. It's absolutely free. Go get it now. But let's create one right now. Extensions app script. So over here, we already have all of our automations ready. We don't need on edit right now, but we will come back to this later and perhaps. So let's add a new function, change active tab, need the curly brackets. We need a few things. Variable ss equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet. Variable sheets equals ss.getSheets. This is just getting the count of sheets. We're going to get this with sheets.length later. Variable current index, we're going to find out what sheet we are on. ss.getActiveSheet get index. That's just the number of the sheet we're on. We're going to create a next index. Where do we go to? Index equals, we're going to take the current index, add 1, but if we get to the end of the sheet, we want to go back to the beginning. So we're going to do this percentage sign which says a divisor, divisible, sheets.length, so we don't go over. And now, here's the magic. SS, which is spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet dot set active sheet. And now we say sheets with a square bracket next index. Command S this to save it. And if we want to run it right now, we can. Let's change active tab. We are on the automations tab. If we hit run, we'll have to review permissions the first time we run it, not again. And we've automatically changed to another sheet. So we have multiple sheets here. They're blank sheets for now, but we can run this any number of times, change active tab, and it'll change the sheet we're on. Cool. How do we make this happen once a day? Over on the left side, go to triggers, just a couple clicks away. On the bottom right, click add trigger. Choose which function to run. We have a bunch of functions here. We're going to change it to change active tab. Instead of event source from spreadsheet, we're going to choose time driven. And here, we can do this every minute, every hour, every day. Let's do it every day, once a day, just to mess with people's minds. When are they working? They're working right away at 11 to noon, probably, getting their last data in before lunch. Save. And now, once a day, every day, we are going to have a trigger that triggers this change active tab. Really messes with people. Maybe even try to do it once an hour. If you want to delete this, if you're like, oh my God, I don't want this to happen anymore, go to triggers on the left side. This is again in extension app script. You can edit this with the pencil or 3 dots and delete trigger there. Delete forever. Yes. Oh, peace of my mind. Thank you. We have all of these automations here. Get them all at bettersheets.co/sheetfools. Hope you enjoyed that one. Come watch another video. Let's see you again.